delicious.
Do you want the Grimace shake?
Yes, it's so nutritious.
If a drink would be a big mistake,
Why would you ever think that?
they say it could put your life at stake. Once you drink it, you can't go back.